A product like never before. Meet our new Support Breathe Shower Mist, your wellness self-care ritual in just a few sprays. It turns your everyday shower into a spa-like aromatherapy experience. It's perfect for clearing your mind, boosting your mood, and nurturing your well-being using 100% pure essential oil. Enjoy a restorative shower with this refreshing product and create the perfect well-being ritual to clear congested airways and soothe away heavy sinuses. It's the perfect companion to support and soothe you throughout the winter seasons. Here's how to enjoy it. Mist it into your hot shower and then take a deep inhale. Fill your lungs with the warm, fragrant steam and exhale slowly. Repeat this at least 3 to 5 times and feel the stress melt away. In just a few mindful minutes, you can refresh your body, awaken your senses, and gift yourself a moment of calm. Because self-care isn't a luxury, it's essential.